Hello everyone! Today we will be talking about how to erase the background of your Grizaye. Method 1. Erasing with water. If you would like to erase a part of the Grizaye to add your own background, you can easily remove the ink by taking a small flat brush and pooling water in small sections. Then, with a paper towel, quickly dab away from the subject. Keep in mind, water will erase any part of the Grizaye, so don't let the parts you want visible to get wet, but you can always still color on top. Don't worry about erasing perfectly, you just want it to be faint enough that your colored pencils can layer on top without the lines underneath being visible. Once you are done erasing the background, let the paper thoroughly dry before you start to draw. To assure your paper stays flat, flip it over and set a heavy object such as a book on top while it dries. Stonehenge white paper can withstand lots of layers, so don't be shy when it comes to applying pressure while coloring. Putty Beige is an excellent blending and burnishing pencil as it's not as bright like white, but it's more natural and matches the original background of the Grizaye, making blending more seamless. Here is the final result of the erasing method. As you can see, there is no visible trace of the Grizaye underneath. Method 2. Adding white. Although not as effective as Method 1 in covering the background, it's less risky than adding water to your Grizaye. This is helpful if you find the rocks in the background too intimidating since there is so much detail. You can make the sand seem smooth by doing this. Once you have applied a layer of white over the background, you can then go in with your color and layer until you get the desired color and texture that you prefer. By using these techniques, you are able to adjust the background and the image to your liking while still putting in the work and feeling like you've had some artistic freedom in the piece. I hope you learned something from this video and that you feel like you have got a little bit more room to experiment and have fun with your Grizaye to make it your own. Head to grizaye.com to learn more.